Okay, these are the spares for the 350 rebuild that we're going to do. Pistons are put onto the gudgeon pins. There's the old ones there. These are the new ones here. Okay, we used good stuff. There's the oil pump. These are the timing chains, the new timing. These are your big ends and mains, those there. This is the timing set. Chains with sprockets, those are the gaskets. These are Mr. Gaskets we're using here. Alternators, the rings, dampers, cam, carb, manifold, you know. That's a Holly carb with a EPS, power US. There's your crank heads, and of course the gearbox with the yoke. And that's that. And then we've got the block over here. Right, this is the block. Okay, so you can see it's got a bit of an adapter there if you want to put an oil cooler on. You can see here the bores are very good. You can see there's no ridges here. So what we're going to do is we're going to now hone the bores to take the new pistons and rings. So that's going to be our first job. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the crank, we're going to put the crank, fit the crank and sort that out, and then we'll fit the pistons. Okay, these are the new bearings. Okay, here's the crank all polished up. The crank, going to assemble that now. And then we've honed the bores, and the crank is going to be assembled into the block. That's the first thing we're going to do. Okay, the crank's fitted and it's turning nice. There's no problem, swinging good. Right, so there we are. Now we're going to fit the pistons. Okay, we've got the pistons now. They're ready with the rings on. Okay, the pistons here are all ready. Right, those are the pistons. And now we're going to proceed to fit them into the block. Since the crank is now in, pistons are next. Okay, what we've got here is the old pump and the new pump, oil pumps. Okay, we're going to put that in now because now the bearings have been torqued, big ends and the mains. And as you can see, this is a 4-bolt motor. You can see by this here, there's 2 bolts where normal 3 Chevys have got only 2 bolts holding this main cap here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to fit the oil pump to here now. All right, the new oil pump with it's got a new little plastic magoti here, and it's got that'll fit in that way around, and that drives the distributor drives that. So in other words, that's how that works. So we're gonna now put it into the motor. Okay, as you can see there, the pump is fitted, the oil pump, the new oil pump. Okay, so basically we finished here with the bottom end. We can now put the sump, close it up, and then get to work on the top. Okay, so everything new. Yeah, there you go. Right. Okay. Right, we're just about there now. All this is done. Tappets are done. Manifolds on. Right, so a few more things to do. pump's got to go on. Tappet covers, carburetor, distributor, and then we're in business. Okay, so that's it. So we finished. It's assembled. Everything in place. It's all done. It's got all those parts with it. The gearbox, the yoke. And that's it.